morning, girls. Today we have the last lesson in Unit 6, reporting with other verbs. Look at the first example. Let's play tennis. The sentence starts with let's, so it's what? It's a suggestion. How can we report it? We can simply say, for example, he suggested what? Playing tennis. So, if you have a suggestion, you should report the sentence using the following rule. Subject, the verb suggested to indicate that the sentence is a suggestion. Then, what was the suggestion? Play tennis. Use the verb of suggestion, the idea of the suggestion. Add what? Verb. Adding to it ing, then the complement. The second example. I don't think you should buy it. This is what? This is an advice. How do we know it's an advice? The sentence starts with the verb think and you have should, indicating that the sentence is an advice. How can we report it? We can simply say she. Since it's an advice, we use the verb advised me or her, etc. To do what? To buy it. The sentence contains don't. So the advice gives me a sense of negation. So we say she advised me not to buy it. Not to buy it. What if there wasn't don't, I think you should buy it? We say she advised me to buy it. So we make a rule. Subject, advised, object, and then not if the advice is negative, followed by to and the verb in its space form, then the complement. Shall I help you? This is what? A sentence starting with shall and ends with a question mark. It's an offer. So we say he or she offered me, referring that the sentence is what? Is an offer. To what? She offered what? Help you. She offered to help me. So we have a subject, the verb offered, because we have an offer sentence, then to, and the verb in its space form and the complement. Do not forget to set an alarm. This is what? This is a reminder or a warning. Sentence. How can we report it? We simply say she or he, my mom, my dad, etc. She reminded me. Why remind? Because we have what? Forget. Don't forget. To make you what? Remember. So she reminded me to set an alarm. If the sentence was don't smoke in the hospital, This is what? This is a warning. So we say, they warned me not to smoke in the hospital. Don't smoke. Prohibition. Warning. Don't do something. So if you want to report it, we use a subject, the verb want, an object, the prohibition here. We have not, so we say not to do what? Not to smoke in the hospital. Now I want you to go to your activity books on page 163 and 164. You have exercise A and B. I want you to read them carefully and try to answer them, indicating the type of the sentence that you are trying to report. Don't forget to read the grammar reference at the end of your student box. See you at the discussion time.